Make a great choice today with
The 2018 124 Spider. The Fiat 124 Spider exterior offers the classic roadster-style design that is sure to turn heads. The advanced technology, turbo engine, and four-wheel independent suspension provide the overall experience, engine responsiveness, and ride you would hope for in a vehicle like this. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, heated passenger seat, leather seats, remote window operation. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.